first. So let's do this trick where we add 2 compressors. Right now I'm adding the Rcompressor, and we're gonna aim for around like -2 to -3 reduction here. I'ma get her all up in my phone. Okay, that's a little too much. Let's go -6. Hit it way too good, and she won't get off my phone. Going crazy about my soul. Hold on. I did notice, so this vocal is kind of thick, just like this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just place this one down here. Come back to my compression. I'ma get her all up in my phone. Whoa. Hit it way too good, and she won't get off my phone. Going crazy about my soul. Alright, we're cool on that. We're gonna do the LA2A. And we just kind of want to use this compressor now. This is a slower compressor, right? This compressor, we want to use it to kind of catch any of the frequencies the first compressor didn't catch. Hit it way too good, and she won't get off my phone. Going crazy about my soul. So aiming around like -1, -2 reduction as well. I lay it down with grace. I hit it good, she amazed. I hit it better than bass. Alright, so I'm cool with that.